Today we are looking at stocks you might want to add to your watch list for the week. One of our foundations is this, and I taught this for years at the IBD meetups. Focus on the leading groups and the leading stocks in those groups. You will dramatically improve your investing results. You will dramatically improve your potential for making money. So let's go in and look at some. This list is sorted by industry group rank, by the way. Eldorado Gold, EGO, it's group number 1. That's pretty good. Accumulation distribution is B. Composite rating 97. How about that? These are all the things that we look at. Basing right here, as you can see, what are we looking for? Taking out these tops right across here, a line here, or the highs right here. And I'll draw this just to help you. And always remember this, just simplicity is a good thing. It doesn't need to be fancy. Think about this. We're very pragmatic. If everybody sees it, doesn't it increase the odds that, hey, they'll buy it too? Sure. So there's the base going across right there. High right around here. The high on this bar, just to let you know, is 2023. It could be 2025 to 2030 in a good market with volume. What else catches our eyes? Good volume right there. They voted. There you go. They voted on Friday. So there's numero uno. Let's move on to the next one. Agnico Eagle Mines. That's easy for me to say. Group number 1, earnings per share rate 97, composite rating 99, B minus accumulation distribution. Simple base here. Last quarter's earnings up 101%. Timeliness A. Stuff we look for. You can see the simple base going across here. Potential entry. You see the high on that bar? Just take this out. The high on that bar is 118.95. It doesn't need to be a dime higher. 119. There you go. Let's move on.
Markets are choppy, patterns are messy, but you can still trade with confidence if you know what to look for. Join us on Wednesday, June 4th at 8 p.m. Eastern for a brand new webinar titled Trading Whippy Markets, How to Stay Focused When the Patterns Get Messy. In this session, Pat will walk you through real chart examples, show you how we handle uncertainty, and explain the tactics we use to manage risk when setups aren't picture perfect. There's no registration required. Just head over to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/@missionwinners and join us live. That's Wednesday, June 4th at 8 p.m. Eastern. I look forward to seeing you there.
And again, it's going to be a good market and a good volume. Spotify, group number 2, composite rating 98, relative strength 96. I like all those things. One slight negative, earnings per share rank 64. I wish it was a little higher. However, it's had a good steady earnings growth for a long time, okay? And I do like that composite rating of 98 and a relative strength of 96. One other slight negative, C plus accumulation distribution. I'm not being negative. I'm trying to point out things that's relevant data to making good decisions. You can see these tops across here. This is what catches my eyes. Look at the volume that came into it on Friday. Heavy buying. And look at how it closed in the top fifth of its range. Needs to take out the top of this bar, 671.30, 671.30 in a good market with good volume. That's what we're looking for.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.